Hello, this is Gihan Pereira. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to talk today about how to integrate technology such as AI into your team and your organization. I was asked two questions in the last couple of days, which were slightly different but related to this topic. And I'm here in the Perth City today. I was speaking at a conference of business leaders, and somebody said to me that AI is changing so quickly. How can we keep on top of it and keep up to date? And yesterday, I was running a workshop for leaders about leveraging AI. And somebody there said to me, how can we find the best AI apps and tools and software for what we want to do, whether it's creating slide presentations or website chatbots or recording and transcribing our meetings? How can we find the best tools? And my answer to both of them was essentially the same. I said, it's not up to you to find those answers. It's not up to you to keep up to date with the technology, unless that's your very specific role within the organization. Instead, what I suggest you do is find an AI champion or two or three in your team. These are the people who are already keen and enthusiastic and excited about AI. And all you need to do is point them in the right direction, and they can be your champions to investigate and integrate AI into your workplace, into your team, even more broadly, into your whole organization. So, who are the AI champions in your team? Sometimes they're very easy to find because you know that the people who are already talking about AI, maybe they're a nuisance, maybe they're annoying, and you want them to stop. But really, what you really want them to do is point them in the right direction. So sometimes it's not hard to identify and find those champions. And even getting them started. But it's not always easy to make sure that they can effectively implement the ideas that they have, because sometimes they're the most junior people in the team. Sometimes they're going to meet resistance and backlash and pushback from other people in the team or in the broader organization. So how do you make that work effectively? If you'd like to know more about that, I've got a worksheet that you can download here, which is all about identifying and nurturing the AI champions in your team. And it's got two parts. So one is, what can you do to support them? And the second part is, what sort of obstacles might they face and how can you help them overcome those obstacles? I think you'll find it useful. Download the worksheet, share it with other people in your team, especially the AI champions themselves, and figure out how you can work together to bring AI into your team. I'm sure you'll find it useful. I'll see you in the future.